Hi, I'm Alistair Davis, I'm a Shuttleworth Foundation Fellow, and I'm here in the Arctic Circle, in a town called Etokotumit, and it's one of the most remote on our planet. Accessible only by helicopter, 350 people call Etokotumit here in East Greenland their home. As a fellow, I'm honoured to be able to experience the wonders of our planet and work to unlock access to conservation technologies that can help us to better monitor and understand how our planet is changing. Before the 21st century has ended, the Arctic Ocean will be completely devoid of summer ice, and the communities of Greenland will be at the front line of this change. Why am I here? Well, I'm delivering a very special open conservation technology project. It's a low-cost thermal camera trap, and it's open source. And the reason we're deploying it here is to detect polar bears. There's a human-wildlife conflict problem. The polar bears are coming into a local town, scavenging for food. And that's a problem that we hope this technology will mitigate. If we can identify the thermal presence or the thermal fingerprint of the polar bears, we can generate an alert in real time and inform the community. We can let them know that polar bears are close and mitigate that conflict. There have been a number of incidences over the years, and we hope that open source technology won't just solve this problem for the community, but it's a technology that they can own. They can repair it, they can modify it, and they can share it with tomorrow's generation so they can learn how to use it as we move forward. Helping the community here in Etokotumit to access technology is just one example of what I've been doing as a Shuttleworth Foundation Fellow. Over the past 12 months there have been a number of new and exciting projects that have unlocked access to the technologies we need to help conserve species, better monitor and protect our environment, and really make a viable difference in our world today. In the Southern Ocean, I travelled to the remote island of South Georgia, 2,000 kilometres from the closest continental shores of South America. I was able to complete the installation of low-cost time-lapse cameras developed during the second year of my fellowship to enable Penguin Watch, a UK-based NGO, to scale up their monitoring of king, gentoo and Adelie penguin populations across South Georgia and Antarctica. Opportune encounters during the expedition, in this case with an inquisitive minke whale, led to instant discussions with scientists travelling with me as to how we could port our open source sea turtle GPS tracking technologies so they too could discover at very low cost the migratory route of this amazing species. It's now possible to tag angel sharks with acoustic pingers thanks to a multi-partner project spearheaded by the Arabada Initiative to develop an open source attachment method. 9 sharks have now been tagged to date in and around the Canary Islands to better understand their movements. Access to affordable acoustic recording has been unlocked. We manufactured and distributed over 3,600 audio moths globally, generating £28,000 for the original developers so they can now continue to develop and support the device long into the future. And in Cyprus, together with Exeter University, we deployed 10 of our open source Arabada GPS green sea turtle tags on nesting females to understand how they move throughout the bay. 14 days later, all 10 of the tags were retrieved by SPOT, the Society for the Protection of Turtles in Northern Cyprus, and GPS data downloaded from each of the tags. A fantastic success and the evidence we needed to prove that open source conservation technologies can deliver. However, with each victory, there were numerous challenges to overcome. In Guinea-Bissau, we took the bold move to deploy 20 of our tags, and with a heavy heart, discovered that we had inherited a software bug that affected the battery performance. A third and final year of my fellowship will afford me the time necessary to ensure that we can harden and release a stable and proven solution, and that we can provide support and guidance at a critical time, that we can lay down a foundation, and that we can distribute the tag at scale using the same model proven with the audio moth. And on Principe Island, a third fellowship year would enable me to support and expand our Arabada Technology Club, offering free digital skills and training and hands-on learning to the children of Principe, so they can take ownership and understand how to use and maintain the technologies we are developing and introducing together. There are about 55 children here in Etokotumit. Imagine if they had access to an Arabada Club too.